Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. You are knowing our life is full of problems. One problem is over, the other problem comes. It goes on. Now, how we can solve these problems? We have to solve because nobody else will come and solve it. So, we have to solve these problems. Let us discuss how we can. I am going to give you 3 solutions for all your problems. Your all problems will be solved with the help of these 3 solutions. First is, we should have patience. You are knowing there is nothing permanent in this world. Change is only the permanent thing. After night, the day comes. After the day, the night comes. After sorrow, happiness comes. After happiness, there might be some days of sorrow. So it goes on. So time heals everything. Time is the best healer. So what we should have? We should have patience. We should have patience. Don't look at others. You might be having some people who are laughing at your problems, who are feeling happy because you are in trouble. Don't pay any attention. Don't go for anybody's help. Have patience. Say, even these days are going to change. Tell yourself, have strong belief. And have patience. Don't leave the place or don't quit. Some people, what they do, because of the trouble, they end themselves, they do something unwanted. No, don't do anything. Have patience, have belief in God. At the same time, take self-care. If I am alive, then only I can solve all this. Tell this is the tough time. I have to overcome it. Take good food. Take care of your health. And have patience. That is the first solution. Is it clear? We should have patience because the days are going to change. Next thing is, you should find out what is the reason for this problem. What is the triggering point? Many times it is our, what I can tell you, wrong decisions. Suppose if I am not having the capacity to pay back the loan, even then, if I have taken tremendous loan, let it be for anything, then what I should do? I should have realistic expectations. We can't blame others. What happens? We blame the time, we blame everybody else apart from ourselves. So, have realistic expectations. Even about children also the same thing happens. We are knowing the capacity of our children or their likes, their passion, leaving all that because you want him to become a doctor when he is least interested in that profession. Don't force him. If you do like that, later on when he doesn't do well there, you will be blaming your son, you will be telling him that you have spent such a lot of money, this and that. It will spoil everything. No. Don't have any unrealistic expectations. And don't blame others also. This is the second one. See, first one, it is we should have patience. Second one, we should not have unrealistic expectations. Means we should know what is what. If I take this much loan, can I pay it back? Or whether my son or daughter, whether he is able to do this, whatever it is, in anything. We should have some realistic expectations. Third is, we should learn to be happy. Because you are knowing, when we are happy, there are so many hormones in our body, and hormones again create happy hormones. So, we should learn to be happy. How we can be happy? First thing is satisfaction. You try for the better thing, but have the satisfaction. Live in the present. Speak in a nice way to the people. Otherwise, we are having some people speaking arrogantly, using bad language. Looking at an old lady, they will say, "Hey, old lady." Instead of that, you can use the words madam. Or you can call her sister, mother, whatever it is, auntie. So learn to speak good language. Speak nicely to the people. Then only we can be happy. See what we want, how we want others to deal with us. In the same way, we should deal with others. If we want to be happy, we should give happiness to others so that they will give it us back. So, to be happy in our life, we should be satisfied. At the same time, we should make others happy. And next thing is, these three things I have told you, these are the main pillars. I will tell you, these things will change your life in a magical way. And the fourth thing, if we can add, that is, we should love our work. If we love our work, we will be happy. Okay, you are not loving your work. Even then, you have to do it. Then, what you have to do? Then you have to change your attitude. Because this work gives me money, because of that I can look after my family, children, then I should love this work. So, if you don't get a work of your, what I can say, your liking, then start liking the work which you have got. So this will create a lot of change in our life. Apart from that, we should live in the present. Don't all the way look at the past or future and all. No. Live in the present. Love the work, what you are doing. Love your family. Keep always yourself in a happy mood. Start your day with a laugh. End your day with a laugh. If we follow all these things, see, our life will change like anything. Like a rocket, it will progress. It will go ahead. So we should follow this. Very, very important things are patience. We should have the patience and don't expect more, in the sense unrealistic things. So don't have any unrealistic expectations and learn to be happy in life. If we are happy, we can make others also happy. What is with me, I can share it with others. In the same way, if I am happy, I can share it with you. So all of us should learn to be happy. Have a nice day.